Hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you how to work with calendars in ClickUp. Let's get started. Well, the very first thing you'll want to do is to log in into ClickUp with your username and provided password. ClickUp has a calendar view that is very unique and supports you to manage all your projects within a single dashboard, just like you will do using any other calendar application. To navigate into the calendar section, once you log into ClickUp on the very right panel, depending if you have enabled it or not, you will see a calendar option. This is a little bit minimalistic and you might not be able to see a number of things in here. So in that regard, I will navigate into my project folder, which is in the spaces section, and select the project in question, which is project management folder. In the project management folder, the task in question is video production. Now, this video production has other subtasks within, and if I want to view all these in a calendar setup, I'll simply come at the very top section, and you can tell I'm viewing my project items using the list menu. I can also use the board view. There is a Gantt view, table view, and other views that are integrated on the plus symbol on the view command. I'll click on that view symbol and type in calendar or simply navigate straight into the calendar option on the drop down menu. Once I click calendar, I will select add view and I can also pin it to make sure that anytime I navigate into this project folder, I'll find it at the top of my bar for use. I'll click on add view and my view now changes into calendar mode. Notice at the very top section we had project management, we have list, board, we have added calendar, Gantt, and the rest also as there. Now to manipulate this calendar view option is to navigate into any date of choice. For example, during the recording of this video, this was February 2023. If the day is Monday and it's the 30th, then if you hover across the different cells for the dates, you'll see a plus symbol. If you click on the plus symbol, you're allowed to enter a task into that specific area, and you can tell it is tagged into today's calendar. The very same happens to any other cell that you click into. So if I need to write a task in here, for example, shoot the task, I'll have to save. I can also add an assignee to that. I can click the start date and create the end date. When I click on save, the task automatically goes into the calendar Thursday the 2nd as shoot. Notice that this task also has its own manipulation options. I can rename the task, duplicate, merge, or even delete the task. Now, it is very easy for you to work with the calendar view if you really know what you're going and even creating a schedule. On my right hand section, if the task is overdue, I can click on that segment and it will tell me, since I created this task on this date, then the task is overdue. I can also manipulate to change the status as either in progress or if it is incomplete. This helps you to align yourself and organize yourself when you're setting up ClickUp, whether it's for your personal use in meetings or when you're using it professionally for project management. Well, that is how you use the calendar view on ClickUp. See you the next nugget.